Okay, good afternoon everyone. I'm Mogens from the Tokyo, Japan via adventure. And this is my stellar. So this scenery is when we sat outside where we ate at Shake Shack. Right?
That's it.
Yeah. We got chased by crows. Okay, Japan in short is a country that is not polluted at all. No, it's not Jakarta. And every corner in Japan, you makes you just want to take out your phone and take a picture. And the citizens there were all very polite, welcoming, well mannered, and and they treat you like you're one of them, like a civilian. Shoot. Okay. The weather there was amazing. Every time you step up from building, the gentle breeze just caresses your face. And yeah, it was nice. So something I will do differently if I have the chance to go to Japan again will be save up more money and save some money to ride a bicycle there. To rent a bicycle, not to buy a bicycle. Because even at midnight, I will find some civilians still riding a bicycle, and the bicycle looks so much smoother than Jakarta. And yeah. Thank you.